The voice of Indian students, expectations from upskill IT courses. Indian students seeking upskill IT courses have certain expectations from course providers. These expectations typically reflect their need for practical learning, industry relevance, and career advancement. Expectations. Industry-relevant curriculum. Current technologies, students expect the course to focus on up-to-date and in-demand technologies like AI, machine learning, data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and blockchain. Hands-on learning. They want to engage in real-world projects and case studies that provide practical knowledge and experience rather than just theoretical content. Industry partnerships, collaboration with tech companies, certifications, or internships that can bridge the gap between learning and working in the industry. Affordable pricing and flexibility. Cost-effective options. Given the diverse economic backgrounds of students in India, affordability is a major factor. They expect value for money with courses that fit within their budget. Flexible learning. Many students prefer online courses that allow them to learn at their own pace, with access to recorded lectures, weekend sessions, or flexible time slots to balance with their existing commitments. Certification and job placement assistance. Accredited certification. Students expect certification that holds value in the job market, either through collaboration with universities or recognized tech companies, example, Google, AWS, Microsoft. Job placement support. Students seek job assistance, including resume building, interview preparation, and direct recruitment drives with tech companies or startups. Networking opportunities. Access to industry networks and communities that can help them with career growth is also crucial. Quality of trainers. Experienced instructors. Students expect trainers who have industry experience and expertise in the specific technologies being taught. They prefer instructors who can provide both theoretical insights and practical applications of the subject matter. Personalized attention. For many, having access to mentors for doubts, personalized feedback, and career guidance is essential. Hands-on projects and real-world applications. Project-based learning. Students look for courses where they can work on live projects and portfolios, which can be presented to potential employers. Real-world problems. Practical exposure to real-world challenges and how to solve them using IT skills is a key expectation. Post-course support. Alumni networks. Post-course support through alumni groups, career services, and job portals is important. Students expect continued learning resources and networking opportunities even after course completion. Continuous learning and updation. In the fast-evolving tech field, students desire lifetime access to course materials or free updates to stay current with new advancements. Interactive and engaging learning platforms. User-friendly interface. Students expect intuitive and easy-to-navigate platforms for an optimal learning experience. Engagement tools. Access to interactive quizzes, forums, group discussions, and webinars to keep the learning process engaging. Community and peer interaction. Collaborative learning. Access to a peer group, discussion boards, and study groups for collaborative learning. Group projects and networking. The opportunity to network with fellow students, share experiences, and work in teams is valued. Clear career pathways and guidance. Job readiness. Students want clear career pathways with guidance on which specific technologies, certifications, or skills can lead them to desirable jobs. Industry trends and growth. They expect the course provider to guide them on emerging trends in the IT industry and provide mentorship to build long-term careers. Scalability and path to advanced learning. Progressive learning pathways. After completing the basic or intermediate courses, students expect advanced programs or follow-up courses to further their expertise. Global recognition. Many students look for globally recognized courses that can enhance their prospects not just in India but internationally. Summary: Indian students expect upskill IT courses to be cost-effective, flexible, practical, and closely aligned with industry requirements. They want a blend of strong theoretical foundations, hands-on projects, mentorship, and job placement support to help them achieve their career goals in the tech industry. UPL Snipe online upskill course features. Industry-relevant curriculum covers the latest technologies and tools in high demand across various IT sectors. Affordable pricing, cost-effective learning options with flexible payment plans. Career guidance, receive job opening references and job readiness advice, including resume building tips and interview preparation. Expert instructors, learn from seasoned professionals with extensive industry experience. Hands-on learning projects, offers practical projects and case studies to ensure real-world application of skills. 24/7 support, get help anytime with access to a dedicated support team. Network support, stay connected with past course participants, allowing access to a valuable network of professionals, experts, and opportunities in the industry. Flexible learning, access course materials anytime, anywhere, and study at your own pace. Comprehensive modules, structured lessons that take you from beginner to advanced levels in key IT fields. Interactive content, engaging videos, quizzes, and discussions to enhance learning. Certification, receive a recognized certificate upon completion to boost your resume.